What if I told you there is one simple trick if you practice diligently that will help you to become a more confident English speaker? Don't you think English can change your life? I was born in a small village and I shifted to Delhi. Couldn't speak a word of English. For your information, English is not my first language. My first language is Haryanvi. My second language is Hindi. And my third language is English. So growing up, I didn't speak a word of English, but I invested my time and the efforts to learn this language from basic to advanced. It has completely changed my life. So today, I want to share with you one simple trick that will help you to get fluent in English. So without further ado, let's start. This simple trick I have learned from a famous motivational speaker, businessman and entrepreneur, Dan Lok. So here is the formula. We call it 131 formula of language mastery. 131, here's how it works. There are 3 rules. First, you have to pick a speaker. It can be from movie, YouTube, social media or web series. This person should be the one that you love the most or the person that you want to be. Now the second rule is that you have to pick a dialogue of him or her from their movies or any YouTube video or any podcast. You all may be wondering what you have to do with it. So here's the process. You have to imitate that speaker for 3 times in a row. But it is not over yet. You have to continue this process for 1 hour. So let's see the whole process again. 1 speaker, 1 dialogue for 3 repetition for 1 hour. So this is the principle of 131 formula of language mastery. And here we are mastering English language, so we have to pick an English speaker. This method will not only enhance your fluency in English, but will also improve your personality and boost your confidence. But I know some of you will not try this method, but I promise you, if you will try this method, you will see a better result. So if you want to stand out of the crowd, you have to take some tough calls, and this method is one that you need to be fluent in English. So at last, I just want to say to you guys, if you find my video interesting, then please like, share and subscribe. If you want to learn any topic in English, then please comment down below. I'll make a video on the topic as soon as possible.